Start, we're going to add in
The fuck?
noodles.
Why?
This is 10 ounces of tomato sauce.
And what's the recipe of that tomato sauce?
Onion that's been sliced.
What? You're not gonna saute that shit in like butter on wine? Like that's how we do this.
Garlic cloves.
And an olive oil.
And 1 tablespoon of oil.
Where did the laziness come along?
I'm
Okay.
adding some salt to taste.
It's like powder.
And some black pepper to taste as well.
That's it? That's it.
All right.
That's all that goes along with the
Special ingredient, which is oregano. Add it if you like it. This is optional. And we're gonna add
goes in the sauce. Oregano goes in sauce.
So with this water, we are going to gradually form a sauce.
Watery motherfucking sauce. All right. Good job. Good Lord, girl.
And we want to mix this so our noodles are not going to stick to each other.
They're sticking. They're gonna stick. Look at this fucking bullshit.
Everything is mixed up. We're going to bake this for 10 minutes. So we're going to
Just
put
10?
noodles in the oven.
I think you're lying, bitch.
How amazing this turns out.
Now look, God bless your heart,
Take
but
out of the oven. Be careful. Wear your oven mitts. You don't want to burn yourself.
What? I take it out with a towel,
Okay, so we're going to
like dish towels. That's how we do it up in here.
and to help it cook a little bit better.
What is this?
So I'm going to return the
Fucking atrocity.
I'm going to let it go for another 10 more minutes.
This is why we don't do potlucks, because I'm not eating from your motherfucking house. Shit, you know how I grew up with fucking recipes and shit? This is not it.
This is going to turn out
Shit was cooked all day.
All right, our noodles are cooked.
Does
Now I'm going to add some cheese on top to give it some more flavor.
Make it look pretty, right?
Cheese is
I see.
tasty with this recipe. It makes it extra yummy.
Extra yummy.
Lots of cheese.
The fuck?
All right, now that our cheese is added, I'm going to put it in the oven again for another 10 more minutes, just so our cheese has a chance to melt. You really get this noodles.
Okay, let's see how this goes.
All right, and it is ready. Now to add some color and garnish, I'm just going to add some.
Let's add some. Did you just say herbs? With the.
And
Did you just say herbs with an H? Look at this. Look at this.
So good. I definitely recommend.
That green shit on the top goes in the sauce.
Yeah, it does.
Besides smelling good, they're gonna taste good. Oh, look how cheesy that is.
Yeah, it's all cheese. You gotta go grab another fucking scoop because all cheese came up in your motherfucking shit.
Try.
Look at this. Look at this.